Leaning on the rock of the mountain, adapted to the landscape, and constructed with natural materials, this vacation home takes on an elongated shape, sheltered to the north by the ridge, and offers views of the sea to the south. Villa San Matteo adeptly integrates with the environment, utilizing local materials and maximizing the scenic views while remaining protected from the elements. Two distinct volumes, one housing the living room, kitchen, and dining area, and the other containing the bedrooms, are connected through a semi-external living space. This space starts at the rock and concludes on an elevated platform suspended between the mountain and the sea, the sky and the earth. Large natural rocks are visible in the west, along with olive trees on the small hills. The property is situated near a ridge, Cape Cutulas, on rocky terrain within a wild landscape. Internal and external floors consist of large tiles with a stone texture in an earthy color. Pergolas are crafted from rust-colored metal with irregular chestnut logs on top. Large openings and a pool, created alongside the main areas of the residence, also serve as boundaries for the steep slope, the view, and the sea. Pergolas, a pool accessible from all spaces, an outdoor barbecue, a dining area, and a seating area on the platform, along with the protected semi-outdoor space with a fireplace, contribute to a relaxed living experience and a harmonious connection with nature. The challenge was to adapt the house to the environment in a non-intrusive manner, creating the least possible impact on the mountain. The formal structure comprises an elongated rectangular parallel, piped of a single floor, surrounded by a stone coating to the north and west. The primary construction challenge was the lengthy distance from material supply points and the rugged terrain. The building is a conventional structure made of reinforced concrete, brick walls, and local stone. External surfaces are composed of kuurasanit, mortar, with straw in the color of the rocky environment. Considerations such as access to the entrance, privacy for the rooms, shade, protection from sun and wind, along with the desire to prepare meals both indoors and outdoors, the extended pool for athletic swimming, tranquility, and the redefinition of the human-nature relationship were focal points in the design strategy. The wide sliding windows in the living room seamlessly merge the interior with the exterior, creating a large covered space with a pergola that connects to the semi-outdoor area. Flat roofs are made of uncovered concrete, and the remaining external flooring is of local stone. Landscaping serves as a continuation of the mountain on the villa's roof and in the outdoor spaces. Light dividers are crafted from wicker. The clay-colored walls, curaçanit, rusty metals, wood in the pergolas, and natural dry stone constitute the fundamental materials of the structure. These materials require no special maintenance and are resilient to local weather conditions.